Yes, I am going to do it with my Jackie Chan style. Kung fu, kung fu, kung fu, kung fu, kung fu. Whoosh. Let's go.
This might be it. I need someone to help me undo this hair. It's really itching. Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing this face, I am a Cameroonian YouTuber who just slept and wake up in Dubai. Yes guys, I am a Cameroonian YouTuber presently in Dubai. How are you guys doing? Hope you're doing great. If this is your first time, please do well to hit the red subscribe button and join my AMA family. So guys, on today's vlog, I'll be taking you guys along as I do deep cleaning. Yes, we have different types of cleaning. This one is deep. We have deepers. Yes, this one is not just the dusting. This one I have to move items from one place to another. So guys, I'll be doing deep cleaning in my mini fridge, my small little fridge. Yes, we have a bigger fridge in the kitchen and we have a small fridge in the room. So guys, I'll be doing deep cleaning in the fridge. So this is how we are in our little Dubai space. Yes, Dubai, a place of beauty, a place of heat, Burj Khalifa and bedbug. So I just disconnected the fridge from current. Yes, because the freezer position, too much ice has occupied it. So that's the main reason why I'm engaging in this deep cleaning in the fridge, because the freezer position is so much occupied with ice. So I need to drain the water. I disconnected it. It's over an hour now, but the ice is still there, though it's dripping, it's dissolving, but it needs more time. Guys, let me show you what I'm talking about. Yes, so this is how the fridge is seen inside. It's already disconnected, but it's still very cold. This is the main reason why I want to clean this fridge today. So this is it. You see, the freezer side section is so much covered with ice. So I already disconnected it, and just that you can see it well, the ice is dissolving, it's turning into water. Maybe I'll give it like 3 hours if everything goes down, or reduce to a more smaller size. Then I'll have to remove everything in this fridge, clean the fridge so well, remove the water, and even as well move the fridge from this position. So I clean the under part of the fridge. So guys, that's what we will be doing, me, you, toi et moi. Okay, see you later when it's time for cleaning. Bye bye for now.
Bye. So let me start the cleaning. I have to rub this hair. I don't even know if from here you'll be seeing the fridge. Okay, that's it. That's the fridge. I think it's okay there. Guys, let me show you the fridge inside. See. So this is how it is. You see, I even noticed that water entered into some things, but they are not, like in the egg, the tray of egg, my okra. But thankfully the bowl of tomato, that's what under here, water did not enter because of this cover. You can see water on it. So you see everywhere down there's water, and this is the freezer part. It was covered with ice. It was covered with ice, so there was just a little space to store food. So I needed to defrost the ice Yeah. So since I couldn't wake up in the night, ooh, oh my god. Since I couldn't wake up in the night to drain, so this is what I'm facing now. Oh shit. I don't even know how to remove something. Small work. Oh. Okay. See the amount of water. I'll just have to go and empty this one. And I put clean water, guys. I will not be using any detergent. I will not use any product like Omo, nothing. I will just come and clean a fish with just water and a clean rack. Yes, dry very well, and then I move it from this position. I clean, make sure the floor is dry, and then I put it back. Clean the stuff, put back. So that's what I'm going to do. This is my clean water and my rack. So I will just do dry. Please remember, this fish is not on current, so please make sure you unplug your fridge before cleaning. Do not make that mistake of cleaning your fridge while it's on current, please. I disconnected it since yesterday. Jesus. Keep going ahead and it's not used to sing this song in Sunday school. If you have ever sang this song in Sunday school, relate with me in the comment section. Oh my God. I don't scam. Oh, I remember Sunday school days. When I want to go to Sunday school, they'll give me 25. I'll just know that it's 10 francs I'll go for offering. 15 francs is to buy Alaska and share with my sisters and friends. Oh God. We'll buy Alaska, we'll buy Adakwa and eat. And we'll be the first people to be singing with a loud voice. They give you money, you hide them. God, they see them. They give you money, you hide them. God, they see them. They give you money, you hide them. God, they see them. God, they see them. Of which we have already removed part of the offering to go and buy Alaska, Adagua, bonbon. Oh, in those days that they sell, there's this bonbon they sell 2 for 25. I don't know whether the longest they still sell it 2 for 25. Now that things are expensive. Guys, the rate at which prices are increasing, prices of food stuff are increasing into a year. It's only God. So guys, welcome to the part 2 of the fridge cleaning. Guys, the part 2 is now I have to pull this fridge from this position. Are you sure I'm going to do it? Yes, I am going to do it with my jacket change type. Kung fu, kung fu, kung fu, kung fu, kung fu. Whoosh. Let's go. Oh, it's not even that difficult. Oh my God. It was really dirty. Guys, let me show you. Let me show you. See, dirty go cry. See. Are you even seeing? See. See. So, thank God I had to pull it. See that, oh, see dirty go cry. Oh. So guys, I have to dry the floor, dry it so well, put back the fridge, and I'm done with part 2. Okay, see you part 3. Okay, this is that section that the fridge was. Yes, the fridge was lying there. There's the fridge, so I have cleaned it. Did I do well? If I did well, let me see you say you did well. Yeah guys, so I'm just letting it dry, and then I have to pull back the fridge. The fridge is not even heavy like I thought it would be. Also, I have to be making my karate. The fridge is not even heavy. And guys, let me show you. These are the items lying here on the floor. Don't come and ask me that, why didn't you put it on the table? Why this, please? If you are in Dubai or you know about Dubai, you know about space. This space is even very special. So that is it. Those are the things that are in the fridge lying here. Yes, I'll only give you what I have. I will not go and borrow somebody's room to do like I want to do a clean up video. No. This is me. Take me as I am. Yeah. So when I'm done with the fridge, I'll just have to, guys, see these dates. Water got into this date. So what do you think? Should I throw it? We know the throw chop. We know the throw chop. All say we know the throw chop. We know the throw chop. So here there was no water because of this cover. Yeah, so that's it. So guys, if you've watched this video to this point, thank you so much. Thank you. Now we are at the third and last stage of this fridge cleaning. So guys, I have some clean water here just in case I'll be needing it to clean the bowl, clean the things before I feed them back in the
fridge I have to do fast, so I connect the fridge so that my things will not get bad. So let's start with this section. Okay. This one is here. These things like we need to be checking them. Okay, now let's do time. This one. Hello guys, we are done. You can see from the bottom to the top. See, everything is so organized now, and this is space. We have a lot of space. One thing I will do is I will not be aligning the ice blocks too before. When I realize that it's somehow, I will turn off. I'll like unplug the fridge, drain the water next time. So thank you so much for watching. What I did was I allowed the fridge to the gas, because I heard when you move fridge you should allow the gas to settle before you plug it on current. So I allow the gas to settle for some time, then I plug. Now it's unplugged. The fridge is feeling so fresh, and everything inside is feeling so fresh. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Leave down your comment, thumbs up the video. Why not share the video to someone to inspire that person to clean his or her fridge? And as well, if this is your first time, hit the subscribe button, guys, and also the notification bell for more uploads. It is your girl Antoinette Ma TV. Bye bye. See you next time.